Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming the prerequisites. Enable Touch ID or Face ID on iOS or the fingerprint sensor on Android, and update Instagram. Once done, open Instagram and sign in to the exact account you want to protect. The app will bind biometrics to an active session. Make sure your device lock has a strong PIN or passcode, because Instagram falls back to that. Now navigate to Settings without delay. We'll toggle the biometric option next, so the app can prompt the system. Once you're in Settings, go to Security or Privacy and locate Login Security, then the Face ID or Touch ID entry. Tap to enable. The app triggers your device's biometric prompt, so place your finger or look at the camera to confirm. This step links Instagram's session token to the biometric key stored by the OS. If you manage multiple accounts, repeat for each while signed into them. Make sure notifications and screen lock behavior still meet your privacy needs before proceeding. Finish by logging out and attempting a biometric sign-in to confirm it works. This verifies the binding. If it fails, disable the Instagram biometric toggle, restart your device, and re-enable system biometrics first, then re-enable in the app. Clearing the app cache or reinstalling Instagram fixes corrupted settings. Make sure your password and two-factor authentication are active as a recovery path. If persistent issues continue, revoke device access from Instagram account security on the web.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.